Hi everybody, I'm Doc Mengay. Okay, gagawin ko tong video na to answer the question. Ano ba talaga yung nagsasanhi ng insulin resistance? Is it the fat or the carbohydrates? Okay, the answer is the fat. Okay, I'm going to explain later. Okay, aside from dun sa pagsagot dun sa question, ano ba talaga yung nakakasanhi ng diabetes or insulin resistance? Is it the fat or the carbohydrates? I also want to answer, ano ba talaga yung nakakasanhi ng weight gain? Okay? So, not all carbohydrates are created equal. There are two types of carbohydrates. We have the complex carbohydrates, yung unprocessed carbohydrates na mataas yung fiber, yun yung fresh fruits and vegetables. Those are the good carbohydrates. Those can produce glucose inside our body, but not that much, no, just enough. And then we have the bad carbohydrates, yun yung mga white sugar, white bread, freshly cooked white rice, candies, those are bad carbohydrates. They are highly processed and they don't have fiber. Okay, fiber is very important para maiwasan yung pag-spike ng blood sugar. Fiber is so important, ini-include na siya as the fourth macronutrients. Okay, ano ba yung mga macronutrients? We have the fat, the protein, the carbohydrates, and then fourth, ini-include na siya, yung fiber. Okay, aside from preventing spike ng blood sugar, yung fiber din kasi important yan para maalis yung toxins sa loob ng katawan natin. So, ganun ka-importante yung fiber. Okay, I want to mention that 1 gram of carbohydrates is equal to 4 calories and 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 calories. So, napakataas ng calories ng fat. So, if you want to lose weight, remove or eliminate fat from your diet. Okay? So, paano yung sinasabi ng iba? Doc, nilalagay ko naman dun sa food ko, olive oil or extra virgin olive oil, yung sa parang sa Mediterranean diet. So, fat pa din yon and highly processed yung oil na yon, no? Yung mga oil na yon, those are highly processed, they don't have fiber and still fat. Again, 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 calories. If you want to lose weight, remove or eliminate fat from your diet. Okay? Tapos, paano nagko-cause ng insulin resistance yung fat? Okay, I'm going to explain. Gagawin ko lang very simple para maintindihan. Kapag kumain ka ng fat from your diet, may fat doon. Yung fat it will be stored in your adipose tissues. Ngayon, kapag masyado nang nasaturate 'yon, magde-deposit or mag-accumulate din yung fat doon sa muscles and then sa liver. And then kapag nag-accumulate yun sa muscles and then sa liver, it will cause inflammation, which can eventually block the action of the insulin. So, yung insulin is a hormone produced by our pancreas, para pumasok yung glucose inside our cells, na kailangan nga na cells natin. And then, eventually, those fat can actually accumulate din sa pancreas, which eventually can damage the beta cells of the pancreas, yung nagpo-produce ng insulin. So, ang bottom line nito, fat causes insulin resistance, which eventually will become diabetes type 2. Yun magkakos ng diabetes type 2, not the carbohydrates. Okay? Matapang akong gawin tong video na to kasi I know I can provide a legit answer. Kasi nakakalito na. If you're a patient looking for a nutrition advice, kung makikinig ka sa isang doctor for nutrition advice, tingnan mo din yung background. Kung trained ba siya sa nutrition, kung meron ba siyang legit training on nutrition, kung meron man siyang training sa nutrition, is it updated? No? Para alam mo yung advice na sinasabi niya, legit at talaga makakatulong sa'yo. Kung evidence-based pa yun. Kasi alam mo, marami na kasing mga information about nutrition. Minsan nakakalito na. Naging initiative ko nila mag-aral about nutrition para mabigyan ko ng tamang guidance yung patients ko. Kasi I have patients na may chronic illnesses like diabetes and hypertension na nagtatanong sa akin, Doc, ano ba yung dapat kong kainin? Ano ba yung dapat kong iwasan? So, tingin ko, obligasyon ko talaga na i-guide sila. That's why talagang binigyan ko ng panahon na mag-aral about nutrition at nagiging passion ko na din siya. Okay, yun lang, sana may natutunan kayo. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video. Bye-bye.